In this video, you will learn how to fix Gmail notifications not working on Android. Many people rely on Gmail for important emails. If you are not receiving notifications, you might miss important messages. But don't worry, I will guide you through some easy steps to get your notifications back. First things first, let's ensure that the power saving mode is turned off. Power saving features can restrict background data and limit notifications. If power saving mode is enabled, simply disable it. Next, verify that Do Not Disturb mode isn't activated. This feature silences all notifications unless specified otherwise. If Do Not Disturb is enabled, turn it off. Now it's time to dive into the Gmail app itself. Open the app and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Scroll down until you reach Settings. Tap on it, then select General Settings. In General Settings, find and tap on Manage Notifications. Make sure that Allow Notifications is switched on. Next, enable Allow Sound and Vibration for alerts. In the Notification Types section, ensure that both lock screen and badge notifications are enabled. This ensures you don't miss any important emails even when your screen is locked. Now let's configure notifications for specific accounts. Tap on Configure in Gmail. Then select the email account that has been giving you trouble. Once selected, tap on Notifications and set this option to All. This guarantees you'll receive alerts for every incoming email. After adjusting these settings, restart your device. Sometimes a simple reboot can solve lingering issues. If notifications still aren't working after restarting your device, let's dig deeper into app-specific settings. Find the Gmail app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Press and hold it until a menu appears, then tap on the eye icon. Scroll down until you see Battery. Tap on it. Here, make sure it's set to unrestricted. This allows Gmail full access to run in the background without limitations. Next up, tap on Storage, then select Clear Cache. Clearing cache won't delete any emails but can resolve glitches affecting performance. And there you have it. Your Gmail notifications should now be working perfectly. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.